गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। स्टैंडर्ड 7 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस। आज आज से आपका न्यू सेशन स्टार्ट हो रहा है। ठीक है, इसमें आपका आज चैप्टर 1 है टू बिग स्टेट्स और सब्जेक्ट है सोशल साइंस। ठीक है, इन इंडिया द पीरियड ऑफ चैप्टर 1 टू बिग स्टेट्स Kannauj. In India, the period of Gupta age is considered from 320 to 650. In this unit, the administration system of this age is narrated in the North India, the empire of the valiant king. Harshvardhan was extended up to East Bengal all the way from Afghanistan. His elder brother Rajavardhan was killed treacherously, so Harshvardhan had to shoulder the responsibility of the throne of Thaneshwar at very young age, and he carried it out very efficiently. He won back the state of his sister Rajeshri. 2. He continued his journey of triumph for 7 years and set up a large empire. He tried desperately to strengthen his state. He assigned different responsibilities to 7 different ministers and took on hand the works of public welfare. He put a ban on killing of living creatures and had constructions done. He encouraged literature and religion for the protection of civilization. The great poet Bana Adon his code. To encourage education, he had donated 100 villages from the maintenance of Nalanda University. He had adopted equality of all religions. Sarvadharma Sambhav, therefore during his therefore during his rule, trade and business had developed. For exchange in trade and business, gold and silver coins were used in his time. A Chinese traveler, Yuan Task, had visited India. He stayed in India for 15 years and had appreciated the administration system of Harshvardhan. His travel diary had mentions there as the evidence for his craze of getting continuous victories. He had to face defeat in the battle against Pulkeshi II in south. With his death in 1647, his rule came to an end. Vatapi. In Vatapi, in South India, the rulers of Chalukya dynasty ruled. Kings like Pulkeshi II, one Kirtivarma, Manglesh and Pulkesh II had made Vatapi quite prosperous. Pulkeshi II had won over the regions of Krishna and Godavari. All the way from Lat region of Gujarat, he had also established his rule in Andhra Pradesh. He had prevented Harshvardhan proceeding further from the Narmada. Pulkeshi II himself was fond of art. He had pictures painted in the caves of Vatapi and the Dharapuri. Today also some of these cave paintings exist in the Ajanta caves in the period of Pulkeshi II. Yuan Tizang had visited Vatapi. He had admired the prosperity of Vatapi. A lot of the rulers of Chalukya dynasty follow the Hindu religion, of course. Later, the influence of Digambar branch of Jain religion had increased. In 642, Pulkeshi II died while fighting against a king of Palwa district of Kanchivaram. ये चैप्टर आपका एक्सप्लेन हो गया। अभी मैं इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर आपको करवाऊंगी जो आपको करने हैं। ठीक है, what was it right on Harshvardhan's part to defeat those states? आंसर है, the period of Emperor Harshvardhan was considered about 1400 years ago At that time there was monarchy. Presently, our nation cannot even another nation, but in those days, kings took in matter of pride in extending boundaries of their state. Considering this, we can say Emperor Harshvardhan defeated this state was proper. Next question 2. Name the administrative officers in charge of the administration of your district on taluka currently. Answer है the following official look after the administration of our taluka and district currently at district level: collector, deputy collector, district development officer, deputy district development officer, district primary officer, district health officer. अभी जो इनकम्प्लीट कोई आपका ये चैप्टर अभी इनकम्प्लीट है वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं करवाऊँगी. ठीक है, थैंक यू.